Welcome to Rapid Readers Club. Imagine two people standing at the starting line of life. One is naturally gifted, everything seems to come easily. The other struggles, makes mistakes, and often doubts themselves. Now, here's the surprising question: who is more likely to achieve extraordinary success? Most people would instantly choose the naturally talented person. But history and science tell a very different story. Again and again, we see ordinary people accomplishing extraordinary things, not because they were born special, but because they learned how to unlock something hidden inside them. That hidden power is called potential. Today, we are going to explore how anyone, including you, can discover and develop hidden potential. Stay with me because one idea in this video could completely change the way you think about success forever. Many people believe success depends on talent, intelligence, or luck. But what if those beliefs are holding us back? The truth is that potential is not something you are born with, it is something you build. Every expert was once a beginner. Every champion once failed. Every great leader once felt uncertain. The difference is not who starts ahead, the difference is who keeps growing. Let's discover the powerful lesson that can help to unlock the best version of yourself. The lesson number one is talent opens the door, but character keeps it open. People admire talent because it's easy to notice. Character is harder to see, yet character determines whether success lasts. People with strong character and stay disciplined even when nobody is watching. They keep learning when others quit. They remain humble after achieving success. Your habits, attitude, and determination will always take you further than talent alone. Remember, talent gives you an opportunity, but character helps you to make the most of it. The lesson number two of this book is progress is better than perfection. Many people never start because they want everything to be perfect. They wait for the perfect time, the perfect idea, the perfect opportunity, but perfection is an illusion. Successful people simply begin. They improve one step at a time. Every mistake teaches a lesson. Every lesson brings improvement. Instead of asking, "Can I do this perfectly?" ask, "Can I become a little better today?" Small improvements create extraordinary results over time. The lesson number three of this book is your comfort zone is your biggest enemy. Comfort feels safe. Growth feels uncomfortable. Learning something new often feels frustrating. You will make mistakes. You feel slow. You will even question yourself. But that's exactly where growth happens. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. You probably fell several times before learning to balance. If you had quit after the first fall, you would never have learned. The same principle applies to every skill in life. Growth begins where comfort ends. Lesson number 4 of this book is about the power of consistency. Imagine improving just 1% every day. 1% doesn't seem like much, but after weeks, months, and years, those tiny improvements become life changing. Success is rarely one giant leap, it's thousands of tiny steps. Reading a few pages every day, practicing every day, learning every day, and saving a little money every month, being kind every day, and consistency beats intensity. You do not have to be amazing today, but you simply need to keep showing up. The lesson number 5 of this book is about learn from failure instead of fearing it. Most people feel failure as proof they are not good enough. Successful people see failure as feedback. Thomas Edison failed thousands of times before creating the practical light bulb. Athletes lose games, writers receive rejection letters, business owners experience losses. Failure isn't the opposite of success. Failure is part of success. Every setback contains a lesson that brings you closer to your goal. The only real failure is refusing to learn. Lesson number 6 of this book is surround yourself with people who help you grow. The people around you influence your future. Spend time with people who encourage learning, people who challenge your thinking, people who celebrate your progress. Avoid those who constantly discourage your dreams. Positive environments create positive habits. Growth becomes easier when you are surrounded by people who believe improvement is possible. Choose your circle wisely. The lesson number 7 of this book is about success is built through daily habits. Your future isn't decided by one big decision. It's shaped by your daily routine. Do your habits move you toward your dreams or away from them? Successful people do not depend on motivation. They depend on systems. Read every day. Exercise regularly. Keep learning. Manage your time. Protect your health. Tiny habits, repeated every day, eventually become extraordinary achievements. Lesson number 8 is about believe that you can grow. One of the biggest limits is not outside you, it's inside your mind. If you believe your abilities can improve, you will keep learning. If you believe they cannot, you will stop trying. Your beliefs become your reality. Replace these thoughts, I can't do this, with I can't do this yet. The one word yet changes everything. It reminds you that growth is always possible. Hidden potential is not reserved for the smartest people. It is not reserved for the richest. It is not reserved for the luckiest. It exists inside ordinary people who refuse to stop learning. Every challenge you face today is preparing you for better tomorrow. Every mistake teaches you. Every effort strengthens you. Every day gives you another chance to become better than yesterday. So stop waiting for perfect conditions. Stop comparing yourself to others. Start building the habits that reveal the incredible potential already inside you. Remember this, greatness is not something you are born with. It is something you build, one choice, one habit, and one day at a time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below which lesson inspired you the most from this book, Hidden Potential. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep learning, keep listening, keep growing, and keep unlocking your hidden potential. Thank you very much for listening.